Monsoon woes continue in Jammu division as heavy rains have once again lashed the region. Behind me you can see that streets have been inundated here in Jammu city. There has been waterlogging on important roads, and as a result of this people are facing a harrowing time. Commuters are facing a very difficult time. Met Department has predicted heavy rains across Jammu region today, and that is why the administration is on alert mode. People have been advised not to venture near the rivers, and the administration, its teams are working round the clock to provide relief to the affected people. Recently there were floods in Jammu region, particularly in Jammu district and other places, and as a result of this thousands of people have got affected. The Jammu administration has already evacuated more than 4,000 people from the low-lying areas, but weather remains inclement, and today also it's raining very heavily, and it has created problems for the relief and rescue teams, because it becomes very difficult for the rescue and relief teams to reach out to the people in this kind of weather. But our rescue teams are working round the clock, and they are trying their level best to provide relief and assistance to the affected people in flood-hit areas. Teams from the Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF, NDRF, SDRF, and all the government agencies are working in close coordination, and the priority is to provide all kind of assistance to the people. But weather is creating problems for everyone, including common man. You can see that streets have been inundated here in Jammu city. It has been raining cats and dogs since early this morning, and as a result of this there has been waterlogging on important roads, and people are already suffering here because there have been floods which have been triggered by record rainfall on Tuesday. There have been incidents of landslides and shooting stones on important roads and highways, and that is why vehicular movement has been stopped on important roads. Many roads have caved in, bridges have collapsed, and as a result of this, Jammu region has come to a grinding halt. Although the administration is working round the clock to provide all kind of help and assistance to the people, electricity has been restored in many areas, but there are a large number of areas where there is no electricity right now. But the administration is working round the clock. Administration teams from the J&K administration are working 24/7 to provide relief to the affected people. But weather is coming as a major hindrance when it comes to the relief and rescue operations, because it becomes very difficult for the rescue teams to reach out to the people. Here you see that this road has turned into a nala. This is an important road in Gandhinagar area of Jammu city, and it has turned into nala. It is becoming very difficult for the commuters to ply on these roads, to ply their vehicles. The administration has issued an alert. People have been asked to stay away from rivers. Jammu and Kashmir is reeling under intense monsoon conditions, and Jammu region has faced the brunt of this monsoon season because there have been floods, record rainfall here. Water level in many rivers crossed the danger mark on Tuesday, and the swollen waters of rivers breached the banks, and many low-lying areas were inundated. There were floods, many houses got collapsed, many houses got washed away, and people here got affected severely by these floods, and that is why now administration has once again issued alert. Helpline numbers have been issued, and people have been asked to contact the administration on these helpline numbers if they are facing any kind of problem. With video journalist Siraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.